Good afternoon to those who listen. It is May 5th, 2018, 12:52 p.m. Let me get out here so I can show you a halo. It's like almost overhead too, which is kind of strange. The sun has been, well, I guess it's moving more to overhead. I'm going to lower the brightness to see if that helps or not. I don't know. It's a pretty big halo. Pretty big, and it's complete. Lots of chemtrails around too, throughout the whole sky. I'm going to bump it back to default and show you the sky. Lots of chemtrails everywhere. They must have been really spraying a lot. A lot. Looks like the clouds, the real clouds, are suspended and probably dissipating from chemtrail activity. But back to the halo. And there's our halo. I don't know how well you can see if I put it like right here, because it looks like it's so far down. Oh, let me go back down on the brightness. I don't want to get it too hot. I don't know if that affects the heat. Or not. But it's pretty spectacular halo. And I'm going to do another video in just a minute. I got some news, some bad news, and I'll need you guys' prayers again.